Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video today, it is a makeup tutorial for beginners. This is the Wednesday Addams from the Addams family for Halloween 2018. I know that Halloween was a week ago, so I'm just uploading today. And also, if I do sound weird on a microphone, I am using a headphone microphone through a computer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get into it. Now I'm going to be using the cleansing water from Garnier Skin Active Micellar to remove bits of my makeup that are still there, as I've been struggling to be taking all my makeup off due to an infection in my gums from having my wisdom teeth taken out. So I've just had to be gentle to my mouth and not to put pressure on it. Now I'm going to take the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof skin concealer, and this is the color Light Neutral. So I'm going to do exactly what I've done last time, so I'm putting a bit of it on my eyelids. And then I'm just going to take the flat fluffy brush and just to blend all that in until it's all covered. Now I'm going to take the Stay Matte powder from Romeo London, and same thing like last time, I'm going to set that with my concealer so then I can get started using my eyeshadows. Now I'm going to start with my brows. I'm going to use my normal brow shade black from Kristen Hay. So Wednesday does have black brows, so and with black hair too. So I am going to put just a bit of it on my brows just to like cover it. Now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern, I can't say the whole thing again, so I'm taking the raw sienna as for my crease, and then I'm just quickly going to blend it in till it's all blended. So the second shade that I'm going to take the MG from the Kryolan 10 palette. I had this palette 3 years ago and it's still good of using, and I'm going to blend with the other color all together, so all to be blended. So I'm going to take the gel liner called Blacklist. This is from the Pretty Vulgar from Sephora, which I haven't put it up on their display yet, as it is a new brand that's just came down here. So they just wanted me to try it out and give them a feedback. So I'm still good so far. Just gonna give them some more feedback to it. So I'm going back to the same palette. I'm going to use the Deep Black from Kryolan, and I'm just going to pull it in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a little fluffy brush to blend that in. So I'm going back to the gel line again. So I'm going to put a tiny bit on the lower lash, and I'm going to blend that again with the same blending brush. So I am going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to put a little bit of a coat or two on my lashes. So now I'm going to take my primer. This is the Mecca Cosmetica Hydrating Primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And again, I'm going to be really gentle to the one side of my mouth since, as I said, it has been very swollen. I'm going to go back with my concealer again, and I'm going to put little dots where like my pimples are, my scars, and I'm just going to dabble with my finger to blend it all in to cover that part of it. So the foundation I'm using is the Estee Lauder, which I can't pronounce crap, and this is the Double Wear 101 Ivory Nude. So I'm just gonna put dots on my side cheek area, and then I'm gonna get the blending sponge and just blend it all in. I'll have time to tell you what really happened. So after 2 weeks of having my wisdom teeth taken out, my whole mouth was swollen. It was so sore. I couldn't close my mouth, and I was struggling to sleep. So I have to take it to my surgeon so I can get some medication, and now it has been so much better. But that time I could not like taking my makeup off or do my makeup, so I had to be very careful. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Medium to Tan. I'm taking the lightest brown shade into my cheekbone, contour area, and the lower jaw line, and I'm just going to blend it all in. That's the wrap, guys. So this is the quickest cute look of Wednesday Addams for Halloween 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see any more videos, comment below. I hope to guys see you very soon. Bye.